Are you constantly wondering if you're doing the absolute best exercise for your body? Perhaps you've heard conflicting advice about walking versus running. Today, we're diving deep into this age-old fitness debate. We'll explore the unique benefits and potential drawbacks of each activity. Our goal is to provide you with clear, actionable insights. Get ready to discover which movement truly aligns with your health goals. This journey will empower you to make informed decisions about your fitness routine. We're here to help you optimize your health and well-being. Let's unlock the secrets to a more vibrant, active life. When it comes to shedding pounds, calorie expenditure is often the first thing people consider. It's true that running generally burns more calories per hour than walking. This higher intensity means you can achieve a significant calorie deficit in less time. However, the true secret to sustainable weight loss isn't just about burning the most calories in one session. Consistency is absolutely paramount for achieving and maintaining your weight goals. Regular, consistent activity, whether walking or running, builds lasting habits. Even regular walking, performed consistently, can significantly contribute to a calorie deficit over time. Small, consistent efforts accumulate into remarkable results. Don't underestimate the power of daily movement. The role of intensity also plays a fascinating part in fat loss. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, often incorporated with running, is incredibly effective for burning fat. These short bursts of intense effort followed by recovery periods can supercharge your metabolism. HIIT workouts are known for creating an afterburn effect, also called EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means your body continues to burn calories and fat even after your workout has ended. It's like getting a bonus calorie burn for hours. On the other hand, moderate-paced walking excels at helping your body tap directly into its fat stores for energy. During lower-intensity exercise, your body prefers to use fat as its primary fuel source. This makes walking an excellent choice for steady fat utilization. So, while running might offer a quicker calorie burn and an afterburn effect, consistent walking is a powerful tool for steady fat metabolism. Both approaches have their unique advantages for weight and fat loss. The best choice depends on your personal preferences and how consistently you can commit. Beyond weight management, both walking and running are truly excellent for your heart health. They are powerful tools for strengthening your entire cardiovascular system. Regular aerobic activity makes your heart a more efficient pump. Engaging in either activity consistently helps to lower your risk of developing heart disease. They contribute to healthier blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and better blood sugar control. These are all vital components of a strong, resilient heart. The benefits extend far beyond just heart health. Both activities are strongly linked to an increased lifespan. Studies consistently show that people who engage in regular physical activity tend to live longer, healthier lives. It's a powerful investment in your future. The key factor for this increased longevity isn't necessarily the intensity of the exercise, but rather the regularity of physical activity itself. Whether you choose to walk or run, simply moving your body consistently makes a profound difference. It's about building a habit of active living. So, regardless of your chosen pace, prioritize consistent movement for a healthier heart and a longer, more vibrant life. Your body is designed to move, and responding to that design brings incredible rewards. Embrace the journey of active living. Now, let's talk about the physical impact of these activities on your body. Running is undeniably a higher impact activity compared to walking. Each stride involves a moment where both feet are off the ground, followed by a landing that absorbs significant force. This higher impact puts more stress on your joints, particularly your knees, ankles, and hips. While our bodies are designed to handle impact, repetitive high-impact forces can increase the risk of injury over time. It's important to be mindful of this. The risk of injury is especially heightened without proper form or a gradual progression in your training. Jumping into too much running too soon, or neglecting good technique, can lead to common issues like shin splints, runner's knee, or stress fractures. Listening to your body is crucial. In stark contrast, walking is generally much gentler on your joints. It's a low-impact activity where at least one foot is always in contact with the ground. This continuous contact significantly reduces the shock absorbed by your joints. This makes walking an incredibly suitable activity for people of all ages and fitness levels. From young children to active seniors, walking is accessible and beneficial. It's a foundational movement for human health. Walking is also an excellent option for individuals who may already have existing joint issues or are recovering from injuries. It allows for cardiovascular benefits without the added stress that higher impact activities might impose. It's a therapeutic form of exercise. Regardless of whether you choose to walk or run, proper form is absolutely crucial for minimizing injury risk. For runners, this means focusing on a midfoot strike, a slight forward lean, and a higher cadence. For walkers, maintaining an upright posture and a natural arm swing is key. Investing time in learning and practicing good form can prevent many common aches and pains. It allows you to enjoy the benefits of your chosen activity safely and sustainably. Prioritize technique for long-term health. One of walking's major advantages is its incredible accessibility. It truly is an activity for everyone, regardless of their current fitness level or financial resources. You can start walking right now, almost anywhere. Walking requires minimal equipment, making it incredibly budget-friendly. All you really need is a comfortable pair of shoes. There's no need for expensive gym memberships, specialized gear, or complex training programs. This low barrier to entry makes walking suitable for virtually all fitness levels. Whether you're just beginning your fitness journey or are a seasoned athlete, walking can be incorporated into your routine. It's adaptable to your needs. When considering the best exercise, it's vital to remember a fundamental truth: the best exercise is the one an individual will actually do consistently. An activity that you enjoy and can stick with is far more effective than a theoretically superior one that you abandon. The choice between walking and running ultimately depends on your individual goals and preferences. If your goal is maximum calorie burn in minimal time, and your body can handle the impact, running might be your preference. If you prioritize joint health, accessibility, and steady fat burning, walking could be ideal. Consider your lifestyle, your physical condition, and what truly brings you joy. The activity that you look forward to and consistently integrate into your life will yield the most profound and lasting health benefits. Find your movement. So, as we've explored, both walking and running are incredibly valuable forms of exercise, each offering a unique set of benefits. There isn't a single winner in this debate, rather, there's a best fit for each individual. Understanding their differences empowers you to make an informed choice. Running may indeed burn more calories in less time and offer a more intense cardiovascular workout. It can be a powerful tool for rapid fitness gains and the afterburn effect. For those seeking high-intensity challenges, running delivers. However, Walking stands out for its unparalleled accessibility and gentler impact on the body. It's a sustainable, low-risk activity that can be enjoyed by almost everyone, regardless of age or physical condition. It's a foundation for lifelong movement. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose an activity that you enjoy and can commit to consistently. Whether you lace up your running shoes or simply step out for a brisk walk, every step counts towards a healthier, happier you. Consistency is your greatest ally. We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights into the walking versus running debate. Your health journey is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Keep moving forward. What are your thoughts on walking versus running? Do you have a favorite, or do you incorporate both into your routine? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this information helpful and empowering, please consider subscribing for more health tips and educational content. Join our community dedicated to vibrant living and well-being. Let's continue this journey to optimal health together.